Okay, how you would like to draw? You can go to the draw tab on the top, click on the line function. We are going to use the line function to draw the staircase. Okay, so once you click on the draw line function, you can see this information or this tab will appear, and there are two options, whether the red color or whether the correct button on the right hand side. Okay, so start with zooming the flight from your layout plan. Okay, you can go to this line, the yellow color line. Make sure you get the line until it reach to the yellow X. So press F4 and Fn together until you see that the line going inside the staircase. Okay, here you can see until it adjusted until it goes directly or parallel with your layout plan. Then you can stop until until the blue line stop at the gray line, because the gray line is the end part of your staircase. So click on this button. Okay, you left click here and then right click to confirm. And you can see this button had been changed from the gray to green color. So you click OK, right?